welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make cabbage pakoda. Very unique and crispy snack, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 250 grams of cabbage, cut them into quarters and shred them. Now we are done with all the cabbage cutting, so let's start the preparation. To a bowl, add the shredded cabbage, a tablespoon of chopped onion, 2 green chilies chopped, few curry leaves, 1 cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, a tablespoon of corn flour, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well with a fork. Now start adding a little water at a time and mix it well with your hand. Continue to add water until you get the entire stuff as a lump. Now it's all ready, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add small portions of the cabbage pakoda. Fry on medium flame for 2 minutes until one side is nicely done. Then flip to the other side and let it again cook for 2 more minutes. Remove when both sides are nice and golden brown. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very unique, delicious and crispy snack. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.